Imagine a version of yourself that no one recognizes in 3 months. While your friends are at the club, you are in the lab. While they are chasing likes, you are chasing a legacy. Monk mode isn't a hobby. It's a temporary death to your old, weak self, so a warrior can be born. It is the choice to become a ghost to the world so you can become a giant to yourself. If you aren't willing to be lonely, you aren't ready to be successful. It's time to disappear. Monk mode is built on 3 unbreakable pillars. First, zero alcohol and junk. You are purifying the machine. Second, 30 minutes of intense physical activity. You must force your body to obey your mind. Third, 10 minutes of meditation or deep silence. You need to hear your own thoughts again. The practical solution: buy a physical journal. Every morning, check these 3 boxes. If you miss one, the 90 days start over. No mercy, no excuses. The world will try to pull you back. Your friends will call you boring. Your family will think you've lost it. Good. That means it's working. Success requires a period of social starvation. The practical solution: delete every social media app that doesn't make you money. Set your phone to Do Not Disturb from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Tell everyone you are busy and don't explain why. Your results will do the talking for you in 90 days. In the silence of monk mode, your brain begins to change. The dopamine fog lifts. Tasks that used to feel hard now feel like child's play. You are reclaiming your focus, the most valuable currency in 2026. The practical solution: schedule 4 hours of deep work every single day. No music with lyrics, no internet unless it's for the task. Just you and the grind. This is where the 1% is forged, in the hours of focused boredom that others can't handle. After 90 days, you don't just come back. You re-emerge as a predator. You walk differently. You speak differently. You have a bank account and a body that reflect your sacrifice. The people who laughed at you will now ask you how you did it. Don't tell them the secret. Just show them the discipline. Monk mode isn't a prison. It's the only way to be truly free. 90 days. No distractions. Total isolation. Are you brave enough to disappear? If you are starting your monk mode today, comment, "I am in the dark" below. Subscribe to Millionaire Path. The world can wait. Your future cannot. The path is iron.